Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at number 11, which has a little bit of a wording problem in it. Let's read it and see if we can understand what they're trying to say. Maria lives 5 blocks east of Hannah. Daniela lives 12 blocks south of Maria. So that's all fine, but where it gets a little bit dicey is right here. And 13 blocks southeast of Maria? That doesn't really make a lot of sense. So let's just dissect the part that I don't have underlined in yellow, and we'll try to plot that on our coordinate plane. So if Maria lives 5 blocks east of Hannah, that means we're going to go this way towards the east. So let's just count out 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so Maria would live there, and we could even draw a line to connect the points to visualize it. All right, and that's 5 units, right? 5 units, so let's put a little 5 there. Let's deal with this next little nugget. Daniela lives 12 blocks south of Maria. So here's Maria, and if we're going to go 12 blocks south and count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll put a dot, and then we'll put D for Daniela because she lives 12 blocks south of Maria. And then we can even make the line to connect the points. And that's done. All right, now this part I'm not even sure if I understand. I think this is a typo, to be perfectly honest. It says, and 13 blocks southeast of Maria. So which is it? Does she live 12 blocks? Where, you know, like that's 2 things going on in one sentence. It doesn't make any sense. So let's just ignore that for now. If their homes are enclosed by a triangle, what is the area of that triangle? Now, we can finish off this triangle by doing this. And it seems like they really, I think what the intended question was, you know, what's the area of the triangle? And they probably should have just left this little yellow piece out. So let's pretend that that's not there. All right, we know that this is 12 over here, this side. Now, this is a right triangle. This forms a right angle right here. Whenever you have a right triangle, you want to use in your formula the 2 numbers that are perpendicular to each other. So that's the 5 and the 12. When we write the formula down, we write it as area equals half of the base times the height. And what you call the base and what you call the height really doesn't matter. Just pick one as being the base and the other one as being the height. Just make sure they're perpendicular to each other. All right, so let's call the 5 the base, and let's call 12 the height. Whenever you have an even number, you can take half of the even number pretty easily in your head just to get the numbers to be a little more manageable and what we call user-friendly. Half of 12 is 6. And if I take that 6 and multiply it in with the 5 that remains, I'm going to get 30. So 30 square blocks, which matches up with choice A. All right, so if we go back and try to dissect this, I don't even know if it's worthwhile to, because they're talking about being 13 blocks southeast. So southeast means, you know, southeast is kind of heading in this direction, and I'm not even sure what that means. So let's just pretend it's not there. We're going to go with what we have here, and we're going to pick choice A, 30.